We're at 2365 Riverside Court in San Leandro. My name's Harry Cordiano, Flat Rate Realty. And we've got another house for sale here in Heron Bay. Perhaps one of the best locations in this tract. Just down the street to the Bay Trails access. Nice quiet cul-de-sac. Got a front patio area for seating. Got a lot of roses on this property. There's the view of the neighborhood. And we'll take you inside. Now this floor plan is really desirable. Aesthetically, it has the dual staircase that many home buyers like in this neighborhood. So you've got this high ceiling formal living area, the double staircase. Formal dining. And over to the kitchen family room area. So we've got engineered flooring throughout. Kitchen's been upgraded. Center island with the dishwasher. Really deep stainless steel sink. Here's a sample of the granite. Breakfast bar for quick dining. Five-burner gas stove, accent lights under the cabinets. A lot of storage in this kitchen. The breakfast nook looking over the backyard area. Family room with fireplace. It's a nice, beautiful floor plan. Probably one of my favorites here in Heron Bay. Downstairs you have a den or an office area. You could potentially use it as a bedroom, but it's been enclosed. So that's the great room, kitchen, family area. And then this goes over to the garage area. Has automated lights, surveillance. Full bath downstairs to complement ease of use downstairs for a bathroom, along with the potential bedroom down here as well. The other door here is for access to the garage, and it's a 3-car garage. A lot of stuff in here, but so there are 2 that are tandem and 1 regular parking. This floor plan also had a builder option to allow for another room to be built. Something to think about if you need another bedroom downstairs. So we'll go upstairs. Further up. So the landing area has additional storage. Upstairs, indoor laundry room. Here's the hallway. So we go into bedroom 1. As I said, we have engineered flooring throughout. There's no carpeting. We have a Jack and Jill bathroom with double vanities, separate shower commode area. Back to the bedroom 1, and then over to the hallway, and then over to bedroom number 2, equal size, tastefully decorated, and shares the same bathroom with bedroom 1. So bedroom 1, to bedroom 2, to the upstairs landing. Now here's a treat. This is perhaps probably the best master bedroom you'll see in this community, but it's incredible. Oversized master bedroom, recessed ceilings, plantation shutters. Double door entry. You pick up these just really nice cool air from outside. We're so close to the bay. The climate here is very temperate. And then along with the bedroom, we have a master bathroom. Glass enclosure shower. Bathroom's been remodeled. closet here. Vanity 2. Sunken tub. And walk-in closet. Oversized master bath to complement the oversized master bedroom. So we'll go downstairs. We'll take a look at the backyard. Glass patio door. The homeowners did a lot of landscaping here. A lot of roses. Pride of ownership too. It's a very clean home. There's a side yard. And lemons. So it'll be available sometime in the month of May. We're still getting ready, but this is a preview. So if you have any questions, give me a call at 510-506-8686. It's Harry Cordiano, Flat Rate Realty. And thank you for viewing.